Oke guys, kembali lagi dengan channel Cartens Audio di sini. Nah, hari ini Cartens kedatangan tamu istimewa dari Jerman dan dari Rusia, alright? So, hari ini kita akan mulai introduce siapa tamu istimewa kami dan mulai dari tamu sebelah saya ini. Dan kita akan mulai dari pertanyaan pertama. Okay, sir, welcome to Cartens Autosound Jakarta, and then I think this is your second time, right?
Yes, I'm the second time here, and I'm very happy that you see the big renovation of your new shop.
Okay.
It's really amazing. I think it's very important because people love their car, and if they love the car, they also like the sound.
Yes.
And especially I think also in some Asian country like also in Jakarta, the traffic is very heavy. People spend many hours in their car. So if they have a good sound system in their car, they will be very happy to drive.
You already tried the traffic jam is very bad in Jakarta, right? Okay, can you introduce yourself and then what
Yes, sure. So my name is Karl Felix Lautner, and I'm the founder and president of Ground Zero in Germany. Ground Zero is now 25 years already on the market, and a very important part of our company is that all the products are developed and engineered in Germany. This is very important because, you know, we have many famous German cars also like Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, Audi, and so it's very important to have our German products for German cars. This was always our aim. That's why we have a lot of plug-and-play systems for BMW and Mercedes, which people like a lot because the improvement is enormous. Today we are here at Cartens in Jakarta, a really high-end shop, I must say. I'm very proud and really astonished how fantastic the operation is here. We have, today we show you one of our upper line, Ground Zero upper line. It's called Plutonium. This is just below the reference line, but it's for the price value, it's really already quite amazing product. Of course, in our idea is we should have everything should be matched together. That means not only have a speaker system from a special brand and then to put another amplifier in and then to put another subwoofer in. No, our aim was always, like I said, engineered and developed in Germany, especially also for German cars, to sound really high-end and amazing. So we have got amplifiers, like I said, 2-channel, 4-channel, and of course a speaker system, depend what the customer wants, can make a 2-way system or a 3-way system fit in the car, and of course a subwoofer together. So the sound should be very unique, and it should be also, let's say, very harmonic. This is for us very important.
Yeah, I heard this is also get a reward from the ASA award, I think.
Yes, we got actually 2 awards which we are very happy about. First of all, we got one ASA award as the best in-car audio amplifier in whole Europe. And secondly, we got a design award. That means we got a German design award, a gold award for the best looking product for in-car entertainment. So for 2020, so we are very proud about this situation, and I can assure you it not only looks very good, also it sounds quite nice.
So also they have a special feature like the bias setup.
Yes, you have a bias setup, which is very important for some people. because the bias means you can control the amplifier from normal class AB, which sounds of course very clear, very crispy, to very warm sound of a class A amplifier. So it depends on the music you have or music lover, you can really set up the sound the way you like it the most, and this is a big situation. I don't think any other manufacturer has in this price class bias setting like we have. I think it's very unique.
Okay, I also learned that Ground Zero have a lot of lineup from the SPL, and then sound quality set lineup also from the entry until the high-end products. So how do you say that the Ground Zero is the focus on the car audio?
Yes, I must say, because you see, we've got more than 400 different products with 8 different lineups. That means for everybody, also from the budget wise, we can understand not everybody can buy a Porsche, or not everybody can buy a BMW. Maybe he has a Toyota or a Kia or some other car, which are also very, very good. But on the other hand, he also like to have a good sound system in this car. So we have an entry level, mid upper level, so means 8 different lines to the really high-end product. As I said, more than 400 products. And in the moment we're selling to 65 countries around the world.
Yes.
So we are also, as I said, very happy to be also in Indonesia with very famous dealers like you. And as I said, also Total Asia is one of our very interesting market, because people really love the good sound in the car. Of course, on the other hand, we got also SPL products. Maybe in Asia the SPL product is not so famous, but of course we got many other countries like US or Russia or maybe Italy or Scandinavia. They really want to play very, very loud. And of course there's also some sound competition, not only the sound quality but also how loud is your car. DB track racing it's called. And then we can say we have many world champions also in this DB track racing.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, do you have any suggestion for our Indonesian market? So, because mostly our customer is coming here, and then when I introduced Ground Zero, they said, "Oh, is this new? How long it's already been?"
Yeah, as I said, we are already 25 years in the market,
years, right?
so it's a long time.
Yeah.
We got a long history, and of course depends on the market itself. If we are long in the market and we got very good outlets, very good dealers like you are, then our name is very popular. On the other hand, we've got on Facebook 800,000 followers all over the world. So I think many people already knows us very, very well. And of course, as I said, it just depends on the money customer can spend. And we understand some has a small car but still want to have a nice sound in the car. So he can also be happy already with our entry-level product, because also our entry-level product is engineered to the best quality. So, like people can buy, like also for the lady, you can buy a small diamond ring or a little bit bigger diamond or a 2-carat diamond. So it just depends on how much money you can spend. And of course the sound also upgrade is of course much, much better. But anyway, even the people start with a very low budget product, they will be very, very happy and excited. And still I believe that such customer, maybe after 1 or 2 years, they want to upgrade the system. They say, wow, I'm already so happy with this system, it sounds so good. So how is the expectation of the next level? So maybe they can say, okay, I try another speaker from Ground Zero in the next level. And so there's always some upgrade possible and some happiness in the sound for the customer.
Okay, that's nice. So jadi pemirsa, jangan ragu terhadap produk Ground Zero, karena ini udah 25 tahun di dunia dan udah terkenal. Jadi produk-produknya mulai dari line up entry hingga yang high end itu semuanya produk yang berkualitas. Jadi mau pakai yang entry level pun suaranya juga pasti akan jadi lebih baik dan lebih bagus. Okay, and then the last question is, I think, do you have any good news for our market for this year? Any new product? And then
Of course, there's many new products coming, and of course we're working now on a very high-end product. It will be called Ultra. So Ultra will come. We have the first amplifier in our big show, our big EMA show in 3 weeks in Salzburg. And I hope I can show you the first sample of this Ultra amplifier. It will be a really high-end product, very outstanding. On the other hand, of course, we are always renovating our products. After some years, we are improving our products, and also there will be some new sound system in the middle class, what we call Uranium. This Uranium is our middle class product. So we have got new sound system like a 2-way, 3-way system with a big dome tweeter. So there's many things coming also in the lower line, like radioactive, new amplifiers. So there's always something coming new and some renovation of some product with our aim always to improve the existing one, to make it better and better. Also like your shop. I'm very happy to see your new shop. It looks fantastic.
Thank you. So oke guys, jadi untuk yang ingin mencari produk Ground Zero bisa langsung datang saja ke Cartens Autosound, dan ini Mr. Carlsnya udah langsung sini aja dan udah introduce semua produknya, dan di sini juga kita punya demonya untuk yang plutonium series, uranium series, dan dari radioaktif juga kita punya demonya. Oke guys, jangan lupa langsung datang ke Cartens Autosound. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Oke. Thank you.